Today, I'll show you how to use track changes in LibreOffice. Whether you're collaborating on a document or simply want to keep track of your edits, track changes is a powerful tool that can make your life much easier. Let's dive right in and see how you can make the most of this feature. First, you'll want to open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're not familiar, LibreOffice is a free and open source office suite that offers a range of applications for document editing, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Once you have it open, look for the icon that represents a writer document. Click on this to start a new document or open an existing one where you'd like to track changes. With your document open, your next step is to navigate to the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the menu bar. Click on the option labeled Edit. This menu contains various options that allow you to manipulate and refine your document, and it's where we'll find the Track Changes feature. Once you've clicked Edit, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option called Track Changes. This feature is essential for anyone who wants to review edits either by themselves or others. It effectively highlights any modifications made to the document, which can then be accepted or rejected. Under Track Changes, you'll notice a couple of different options: Record and Show. Clicking Record will activate the tracking of any changes you make from this point forward. Every insertion, deletion, or formatting adjustment will be marked, allowing you to see exactly what was altered. This is incredibly useful if you're going to be collaborating with others and need a clear history of document changes. In addition to recording changes, you can also choose the Show option. This will display all changes made in the document, giving you a comprehensive overview. With this option, you can see every addition and deletion, often marked by different colors and strike-throughs, making it easy to identify and review edits. And there you have it. You now know how to use track changes in LibreOffice. By utilizing the Record and Show features under the Track Changes menu, you can efficiently manage document edits, collaborate with others, and ensure that all changes are tracked and reviewable. This functionality is particularly valuable in professional and academic settings where document accuracy and revision history are critical. If you're new to LibreOffice, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly, and with a little practice, you'll be navigating these features like a pro. Remember, keeping track of changes not only helps in collaborative environments, but also serves as a personal record of your writing and editing process. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you find this guide helpful as you explore the capabilities of LibreOffice. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out additional resources. Happy editing!